Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. This is Dennis, and this is my midday report. It is Wednesday, a little after 12 noon here on the East Coast, and this is what I'm looking at in the markets right now. S&P 500, let's start with that. We've had that big up move off of support, and we've run into overhead resistance here. I drew this line right at the top of this little pin bar. We had, or price stopped after the last upswing, and right now price is stuck there again. We can't seem to get over that 2020 mark, and we're well on our way to our second down day in a row. But it's a mild downturn right now, and it's on low volume, and we're still above the 50-day, so there's still possibility that this thing could get some strength here and turn up. But we got to see price get above the 2020 level, and let's take a look how that is affecting our currencies. First, let's look at what's going on right now in the currencies. This is how I look on the daily. This is the daily change, and you can see New Zealand, even though the market stocks are down, New Zealand just continues to roll here. It is the strongest currency on my strong week rankings, and even on a day with the market down, it's still strong. So I may have to try to buy some New Zealand here. Not one I normally trade. I usually trade the Aussie, but the New Zealand is much stronger than the Aussie right now. So now let's take a look at some actual currency pairs, and let's move this up here, and we'll look at the Euro US dollar first. And as you can see, the Euro is strengthening right now. Pretty good little uptrend we have going in the Euro US dollar right now. We were in this tight consolidation. We finally have broken out of it, and this looks to be gaining some strength. And if we look at it on the weekly, and we're trading in this uptrending channel, and as long as we stay in that uptrending channel, I guess you have to be willing to go long this pair. I still have a price target of 1,200 up here, and we seem to be moving in that direction. So let's see what else we got here today. Let's look at the Aussie US dollar. And here we go. Now here is the result of yesterday's down action in the stock market. The Aussie took a big hit. I mean, we had a 9-day win streak here. We were clearing overhead resistance, and this thing looked like it was just going to keep going. Of course, that's what happens when something looks like it's going to keep going. It doesn't. And big turn down yesterday. This should indicate a move lower, but so far we're getting a doji formed right now. Price doesn't seem to want to go lower, and if you look at it on the hour chart, we actually had a trade setup, which I took advantage of last night, where price came down to the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart, and it, right after you get a big down candle, usually that biggest down candle is going to be your last down candle, and that's what happened here. We had a little doji reversal right above the line of the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart, and we've been drifting upwards since. I've already moved my stop up to just above break even, so regardless where this goes from here, it's a safe trade, and hopefully I can make up for what I lost on the Euro Aussie. Speaking of the Euro Aussie, that will be the next one we'll look at, and here it is. Now we finally had that break of this consolidation, sideways consolidation, which I decided to take a chance on. I don't normally play breakouts, but this one I was feeling pretty good about it. It was good for a couple days, and then yesterday it slapped me in the face and big reversal back up. Took me out of the trade. Right now, price is stuck right in between the 8-day and 34-day moving average. And then it's just kind of, if you look at on the shorter time periods, price is kind of consolidating and sitting here today. So, I mean, this could still, if we get a good down candle tomorrow, then you have a doji star pattern, and this could lead to lower prices. So, you know, it's kind of a period of indecision, and I will keep watching it and wait for another entry and possibly try it again. You have to be consistent with your trades. If you give up after one losing trade, you know, sometimes it's that second and third opportunity that turns out to be the real good one. And as long as you're losing less on your losing trades than you're making on your winning trades, you can afford to be wrong a couple of times before you're finally right. Anyway, that's what I got for you right now. I will catch you all on my thread, and we'll try to do another video this weekend. Everyone have a good rest of the week. Bye.